Today, I'm going to show you how to install inside-mount faux wood blinds. All faux wood blinds have the same basic parts. Before installation, make sure all parts are included. The blind, valance, wand, mounting brackets, bottom rail end caps, valance clips, valance returns, return connectors, and installation hardware. The first step is to place the brackets in the top left, right corners, and center of the window like this. Before installing the brackets, make sure each box bracket lines up with the edge of the window frame. And then use 4 mounting screws to secure each bracket through the holes. Follow the same steps for the brackets on the right side and center of the window. Next, let's insert the wand tilt connector into the headrail's wand tilter. Push until you hear a click. The wand cannot be removed once it is installed. Now, we're ready to install the blind. Slide the headrail into the box brackets. Then, close the front gate all the way down until it clicks. A click sound means the headrail is secured. After the blind is installed, pull down the bottom rail gently to test the movement. Then rotate the wand to make sure the slats open and close properly. Next, let's put the valance together. For a flat standard valance, slide the return connectors onto the valance. And then use them to join the returns to the valance. Then, attach the valance clips to the back channel of the valance. Make sure the clips are evenly spaced. And then, once the clips are attached, hook the valance onto the headrail. Now let's finish the final step. Put the bottom rail end cap back on and make sure it is secure. All right, congratulations on installing your new faux wood blinds.